Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to trade with MT4 on your prop trading account. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so to do this, you could buy an account. So traders will first need to purchase an evolution account in order to use any prop firm's MetaTrader 4 product. The second step is you can download MetaTrader 4. So once traders have received the credentials, they can download MetaTrader 4 to their device of choice. So after buying an account, you can just download it. And the third step is to just start trading. So traders can utilize the order window to initiate a position. When traders are ready to make a transaction, click new order under tools. This will open a window labeled alternately, or they can use their keyboard's F9 key. The fourth step is to just monitor the open or close position. So traders can open the terminal window by clicking on hitting Ctrl plus T, clicking view in the toolbar and selecting terminal to keep track of the open positions and awaiting orders. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video will be helpful guys, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.